Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, July 11th. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, Triple Qs. Interesting day. We call it really well. There was just about an hour worth of time frame where I was like, I'm a little uncertain what's going on. That was an H&I, but we still nailed it. Even at eyes high, we were kidding around the room. I said, I'll still bet you we take out the IB low before the IB high. And we did. They hurt a lot of people up there. B shape for Russell, kind of for Qs, certainly not for us the way we almost took out the IB high. We do end 9 wide. Russell ends 11 wide. Qs end 9 wide. Daily is back in balance for all three of us. It took till late in the day for us to take out our IBs. Q never even took it out. Us and Russell did it late in the day in M period. Had a good day trading. I took one long on the day, and that was an A period because I thought the overnight was short and they would defend both the overnight low and the one-time framing in the daily. So when we opened, came down a little bit, came back above the opening, took a quick long of the 384 calls, and that worked out nice. After that, I did nothing but short this day. In A, 386 puts, 385 puts for decent size. B period, 386 puts. Now, I wasn't shorting as we were getting low. I was shorting on any kind of push up with that ebb and flow trade. We had a poor low until M took it out. But again, I shorted A, B, C, D. Every one of them paid. G period. Took a short thinking it might be the afternoon rally high. Still got paid on it. Took a short in H. Ended up making on some of it, losing on some of it. Net was basically flat. I made pennies on it. I was like, if we get above the opening, until we get above the opening, nothing's changed, and the bears are in control of the intraday. Well, when we got above the opening, I took off the last that I had, and I'm like, okay, now I'll reassess. I'm not sure if they're going to take out the IB high. I said if we had taken out the IB low already, I would have been more confident taking a much bigger trade. But we didn't, so I wasn't sure. So I didn't take that big a trade. So I got out of it, scratched. What I did do is take the short right before we took out eyes low. I thought there was a good chance now they're going to absolutely wipe out these longs. And they did. So I had a nice short in J, and then I watched. Look, there are times when I think I call the market really well and I just watch it. I don't have a problem with that. I did tell the room. I said, I do think we are going to now take out the IB low. I said, the odds of not taking out either one of them are slim. Buyers absolutely shot their load up here, had every opportunity to do it, blew it. Once we came back in, got rid of the longs, and we got it. Now, we didn't get much for it, but we did get it. As far as destinations, upside, 384.96, 9 wide, which is F's high. 386.87 today's high, and then 390.64 weekly high, 393.16 weekly high. For the downside, nothing to today's low of 383.50, daily low. Then the afternoon pullback low of 380.69, and then below that we have 379.60 daily low. And that's all I'm going to give you for now. If I see we're trading lower tomorrow morning, I'll give you lower ones. And then let's go to the chart. And this is the advantage you get being in the trading room. Doesn't matter if I take the trade. I'm still telling you what I think is going to happen. Okay? And I think that's huge. So for $1 a day, what you could have done today is, had a very good trade. And again, the reason I took that trade after we stopped the one-time frame, it just gave me more confidence once we got back below the opening and stuff. Now, I could have paid less for the puts at eyes high, but I didn't know at that point if we were going to pop it or not. I actually told one of the guys in the room, kidding around, the 385 puts were trading at 27 cents. I said I should buy 500 of them. They went to $1.35. So now I would never have done that at eyes high, but maybe when we took out eyes low, I should have. Anyway, here's your daily chart. But that's what you get in this trading room, okay? It's real. I'm trading, but I'm also, more importantly, educating you onto why the market's doing what it's doing and how you can take advantage of that. Now, we're back in balance. Do you want to call it a 3-day balance? Be my guest. Do you want to call it a 4-day balance? Be my guest. I'm calling it a 4-day balance for now, because I still think Wednesday's low. We got into Wednesday's range pretty good, so I'm going to use Wednesday's low as encompassing the 4-day balance. Okay? The 20 is at 380.16, and the 50 is still all the way up at 395.82. Now, I was leaning towards the 50-day moving average being taken out first. I said if we stop one-time framing, those odds go down. They certainly have gone down, but it's still not out the window just yet. I wouldn't doubt if tomorrow we get the same type of trading day, because there's not much out tomorrow. And then Wednesday you have CPI, Thursday is PPI, Friday's an expiration, and you have big bank earnings Thursday and Friday. Today was the second smallest range of the trading day year, second smallest, and it's one of the lightest volume. So not only did volume contract today, range did also, but it was still a good day. I hope you had a good day trading. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. I appreciate the likes on this channel. I really do. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.